What you got there, Rach?
I got some popsicles.
Oh!
I have the Disney Munchlings. These are the light up collectible plushes. There are, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to collect. The rare one is a key lime cupcake. And there is a Stitch in here. He's the blueberry crumble frozen yogurt.
So they all look like they're just sweets?
Yes. Oh no,
And
there's
they-
onigiri in here, so not all sweets.
And they are scented.
They are scented, yes. So we are going to open them all up. Please hold while I decide which one I want. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. In a minute, minute. Oh, okay, we're going with this one.
All right.
Tally ho. Please hold. It's going to take me a moment to get it out. I can smell it.
What's it smell like? You want to guess?
It might be Pumbaa, which is pumpkin sage scented.
Ooh.
But it also smells like it could just be cake. I'm not sure.
Let's see. Who did we get?
I'm looking. No, don't secrets. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Whoa! I was not expecting that to be Stitch! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wait, he smells so stinking good and he lights up!
Oh. Are you okay? Do we need a moment?
I'm surprised. I'm overjoyed. I have all the emotions going on right now. You should just be impressed I didn't fall over.
You almost did.
I did.
Okay, please hold. We'll go prepare the next one.
Yes. Tis fruity.
Well, last time you did this, you were not correct.
I was
but
not
take
correct.
A
I
guess.
can tell that there is fruit. It smells kind of like a Smartie. I'm wondering
So
if
is
it's
it a
the
key
dragon
lime?
fruit. I'm wondering if it's the Pumbaa one, which is a dragon fruit petite cake. It could also be the alien. It could also be Winnie the Pooh.
Well, let's see. Who do you have? In 3,
Ow, paper cut.
2, 1. Oh, it's
Minnie!
Minnie, and she's a strawberry sundae waffle.
Jinxie jinx.
Oh, look at how cute. Does she light up?
Yes.
Oh,
So
how
precious.
precious.
And this is how I make sure I don't get lost at night.
All right, last one.
Please hold while I make sure I don't die.
All right, Miss Colorful.
I have no idea what this one smells like. Nope.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
It's
it's
Mickey, and he's mint. He's mint dipped.
No wonder I couldn't tell because I was like, it smells fresh. And mint is definitely fresh.
We
Can I
got
get his
3.
eyes to light up?
We got 3 new ones.
Yeah.
Oh, look, his cheeks are lit.
No, they aren't.
they
That's
are.
just the color. I haven't
you
actually
sure?
lit them yet. Yeah, I gotta find the button.
Is it?
There it is!
Oh, look at how cute. How's he smell? Oh yeah, clean.
Yeah, clean.
Yeah, they're not heavily scented, I would say.
But-
So, who's your favorite? I really couldn't guess.
Mickey and Minnie are cute, but they are not an alien.
Exactly. So, how do you think you did? Will you be getting more?
I don't know. I got the one I wanted, but I kind of want the alien. Oh, the claw.
And there are no codes on these.
So we're gonna have some fun potentially.
A lot of smelling.
We'll find out.
But your nostrils a little,
We'll find out.
All right.
Thanks for joining us today, everyone.